What the heck? Yo, what up, what up? So I'm looking for something like this, possibly to come down here. Once we come down here, I believe once we go back above this yellow line, this is when I think the move will start happening to go back up. At least probably back up to these levels. Or at least, you know, the first area will probably be here, and then here. Then, you know, we'll probably come right here, probably come up here, come back down like that, go up here, maybe come all the way back down, and then go up or something like that. It's kind of what I see going on. Yo, what up, Tyler? What up? Appreciate you coming by, bro. Make sure you hit that like button. I'm trying to get some viewers in here right now. It's been a little slow lately. Yo, what up, Maffy? Maffy at Pegs. Good morning, bro. Good morning. It's actually nighttime for me. It's midnight for me right now, but yeah, I'm gonna be on for a little bit, and then I'm gonna get back on again for New York around, so technically 5 hours from now. So I gotta make sure, try to get some sleep, get back up, get back to it. Yeah, I've been calling these moves on my Instagram too. If you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Same name as my YouTube, and it's in the description if you guys are wondering. Let's see, Discord. Yeah, so if you guys weren't here a little while ago when I was saying what I'm kind of looking for is something to come down here like this. Once we hit this yellow line, is this where I think we could be moving. And we technically got a fake out coming up this way. So let's see, we go back to the one. I mean, it does say up to 62. I'm wondering if we could come up to 62, then down like that. Or if we're gonna come down first and then make it up to 62 like that. But yeah, I think this move could probably happen before what you call it? Before New York or pre-New York. 130. So I had Asian way up there. I got, let's see, 130. 130 is the opening here. This London. So we got London. So we're below the Asian opening and we're below the London opening. So usually what I've been noticing is when we're below an Asian opening, we should be looking for buys. But as you can see, it just came straight down. And if we're underneath the London, we should be looking for buys also. So since we're below both of them, this is where I think where the move is probably going to happen at. So once we take these lows out, I think this could be the move that goes back up. So still happening right now on the 1 minute, 5 minute. Yeah, looking like the equal tops right here. Equal highs. So you know we have the high here. Like that. Boom, boom. It usually comes like this. Something like that. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Yeah, man. I'm just if you guys got any questions, feel free to ask. Like I said, I'm kind of waiting for this low right here to get broken. I'm just wondering how long it could take. I just wonder if, you know, we could possibly create some kind of range right here before that happens. So we broke above. So what's going to probably happen is we're probably going to come down from here now. Right here. Or we're going to close above, and then this is going to break, and then that's when it's going to come down like that. Because this low is going to break, then this high is going to break. There it goes. It tapped that line. But let's see. We're going to wait for a close above. We're going to wait for some kind of closure. And then this is going to break like that. And it's going to come down. It has to close above though. There it is. Let's see. If it does what I'm saying it's gonna do, then it gives me more confidence that what I said a little while ago about this happening, more likely that's gonna happen. Because if we want it to go up, we have to go all the way up to here, but I don't think that's where it will go if it needs to come down here like that. Right here, watch. Check this out. It's gonna bounce up off of that. It still needs to close above, I think. So we'll see right now. Pretty much that. There it goes. See, there goes that one. Let's see if it keeps pushing up. But yeah, this thing might range for a little bit, but but yeah, I'm actually gonna get off. I need to try to go to sleep because I'm getting tired. I need to go to sleep for New York. I need to wake up in New York. But I just wanted to give this little idea real quick. Maybe if you guys are watching, you guys just have a little heads up. But yeah, like I said, I'm falling asleep right here. I didn't realize how late it was and stuff. And this move was starting to happen, so that's kind of why too.
So I tell you, enjoy every minute of your life. Sometimes in life, we take things for granted. We have a nice life, we have great position, we have positions at the top, we have a nice family, we have nice friends. And that quality is all as it lasts. But you never know. You never know who'll get there.
Yo, what up, Raj? What up? There we go. So what I'm kind of looking for is a close up here and then a break of that close, and then I think we're going to start moving our way back down to this level. And this is where I think the real move is going to happen at, is down here at this yellow line. Yes sir. Yeah, it was a good day already, man. We did some killing today. But yeah, I kind of got on right now because I seen this move kind of playing out. So what I'm kind of figuring what's gonna happen is, like I said, there's probably gonna be this hasn't closed above yet. So what I'm thinking, it will be a close and then a break of that close, and then we're gonna start working our way back down to these levels. And these levels is where I was assuming where the real move is gonna happen. So this could always still come down. Obviously, I was expecting already for this to tap, but it already tapped and went straight up after that. So I mean, but what I wanted though is a close below, which is what we got, but we haven't gotten a break of the low. So this is where I say is at some point we still need to work our way back down to this yellow solid line, and that's kind of what I'm looking for. Like I said, I had this yellow line right here pretty much letting me know where this is gonna go. So I see it coming up to these levels before making our way back down, something like that. So that's kind of what I'm thinking right now. Like I said, it happened so fast that I figured I'll just get on stream for a little bit and see if it goes. And like I said, this is still gonna go up. I still believe it needs to close above, break the high, and then come down. So if that's the case, then I'm cooking right now, and I'm just waiting for these things to play out perfectly. So that's kind of what I'm looking for right now. I'm also looking for buys on this 30 bullish closure. Ooh. Just be careful, brother. Be careful. Because if that happens, it's also going to create a fair value gap right here. But I just say be careful. Because that's not what I'm looking for right now. I'm not looking for no buys yet until we start coming back down to this level. This is the line that I believe is going to need to be tapped. So what they're going to try to do is get you trapped into this. They're going to try to get you trapped into it as a buy. So what they're going to do is they're probably going to close bullish, probably even make a bottom wick or something, and then start closing like this. And then that's what's going to create an onion play. And then that's what's gonna come down here, I believe. This yellow line is what I think needs to be broken before anything. Obviously, you could take your 10 pips, but like I said, it's gonna be kind of tough because you're gonna have to get in at the right spot. You're gonna have to get in right at the right time. And that's what I'm saying is, look at, I already kind of see that what needs to happen is a close up here. So once this closes up here, I believe that's when it's going to start working its way back down again. But like I said, there's a reason why it's not breaking these lows or anything. It's pretty much, there's a fair value gap right here, and it's respecting it. So That's where I'm thinking it's gonna happen. It's gonna come up here to this area and then come down. So I mean, most likely it's gonna go above there, and it's probably even gonna go above that guy too. It's gonna wick above the top one and then close above the bottom one. But I mean, like I said, you do what you want to do. Don't take my word for it, because I might be wrong also. So just make sure you follow your plan and keep an eye out for whatever you're doing. Just do what you want, bro. But yeah, but for my 4-hour analysis, it counts. Yeah. Yeah, so this still needs an hour and 30 minutes to close, but as you can see, we did break these lows already, so we broke that low. So what I think needs to happen though is it needs to re-break a low. So I'm wondering if it could even be the 4-hour that comes down and then it starts working its way back up or something. But what I kind of assuming is I do kind of see it kind of happening where we start closing, and like I said, we just need to break this low right here. This is the low we need to break. All right, so here it comes. Let's see if this thing closes above. It needs to close above. If it closes above, that's where I think it's gonna come down from, but we'll see how that happens right now. It's 20 seconds away. Yo, what up, Saddam? Damn, it's still not gonna close. It's gonna range. Oh man. Here we go. Oh shit, here we go. $46 worries about buying. Daily last low broke. Let's check that daily. Yeah. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking though, is that this did break this low. So that's where I do believe once we break this yellow solid line one more time is when I think the move is going to go back up again. But it has to break that solid line first. Damn, still didn't close. It's like it's struggling. Let's see. Still no top wick for the daily, so whatever buys come, it's gonna be juicy. Yeah, exactly. All right, so let's see if this happens. I could be wrong though. Like I said, I could be wrong. So we're gonna see how this happens. If it keeps going up, then I'm just gonna probably get off right now. It's because I'm trying to. It's already midnight. It's already 12:30 midnight for me right now, and I gotta wake up in what 4.5 hours for New York. So damn, it still can't close above. Look at that thing. You don't want to close above. It does not want to close above. All right, so this one might be the one that closes above. Oh, still nothing. All right, let's see. We're gonna close right here. Oh my goodness, we still can't close, bruh. Wow. Okay, here we go. We closed. Did we? Yeah. Did we consider that a close? Now let's see what happens right here. But then that one's still. Damn. I'm guessing either that one or this one right here. It's usually this one, but this one didn't even. Let's see. Let's see. Invert scale. Oh yeah, that's money. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. It did close above, but what I want to see is this now get broken. If this could get broken, that might be the move. We do have these lower highs, lower highs. Look at that 1 hour. That's the 1 hour. That's the 30. So the 30 just closed right now. That's why it's getting these wicks like that. Uh-oh. So it's what I think. Oh, so what I'm thinking is gonna happen. It did close above, but I wanted to see this get broken. So what I'm thinking could happen though, that is where it's going to probably wick back up this way, something like this, and then come down. Damn, but let me figure, I guess, let me see if that isn't it. I wonder if that could have been it before. I took a small lot, buy 56, stop loss 55, not in my playbook, just try to take avoid FOMO. 56, yeah, well, you said 56, so I mean 56 is somewhere down here, which is not bad. I mean, if you took it in this area, you should have already been break even. Cause like I'm saying is I don't see this going up higher. Like it needs to come down here. And if this needs to happen, then like I said, if it does come, it might make a double top, something like this, but from 56 entry, yeah, 56 is around this area right here. So if you're in around 56, you were already up 15, 20 pips. So like I said, you should probably maybe already be break even. Here we go. Okay, so look, that's the low that got broken, and now it's gonna come back up to this area right here. So I like to invert it because I could see it better as a buy. Like I like looking at buys so I could see it better. So now you can see what's gonna happen. This is the same thing that's gonna happen at the bottom. So this is what I'm saying is that if this ends up happening down here, if this yellow line breaks, that's when I think it's gonna start moving down. And then that's the same formation that this is forming. So it's gonna break this low like this before moving up. So yeah, this is we're gonna see how this ends up playing out, but uh-oh, here we go, here we go. Oh, push. Let's see, push, baby. 22 seconds on this. I'm on the 1 minute. There it goes. Okay, so now it's gonna come. Now look at, now it did it. So we're gonna see how this ends up playing out. is if it continues up, then I'm wrong. I'm going to sleep. But if it comes back down, then I do believe this bottom area is what's going to need to get tapped. Oh, there it goes. Oh, you're right. 56, you're up. Oh, what about the double bottom after big bearish trend? No bottom, market forms double bottom at least. Yeah. Yeah. This is a good double bottom right here because this is equal lows if you kind of think about it. So let's see. It broke it. And now, uh-oh. Was that it? There it goes. Oh, nope. Let's see. Let's see. My idea would have been at the yellow line. So that's 10 pips. Let's say like 50, 20. All right, guys, but I'm gonna be going to sleep already. I gotta try to wake up in about 4 hours for this New York session. So, like I said, my idea is it's gonna come down here and do something like that. So, we'll see how this goes. I might be wrong though. Don't get me right. Like I said, I might be wrong, but that was just kind of my plan from the beginning. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna get going. I'll see you guys in the morning for New York. Don't miss it. Peace.